AI is changing the way landlords and property managers screen tenants. Many platforms now promise faster decisions, better insights, and increased objectivity. However, as these tools become more widespread, one critical question is emerging. Can using AI to screen tenants expose you to legal risk? A property manager I know used AI to screen applicants. One person was denied despite meeting credit and income standards because the system misread their freelance income. Since the property manager couldn't explain the denial, it nearly triggered a fair housing complaint. That moment made one thing clear. AI definitely needs oversight. AI relies on historical data, which can include bias. Most platforms use past rental records to build their algorithms. If those records include unfair patterns, the system might repeat them. This can cause legal problems even if it wasn't intentional. If you can't explain why an applicant is denied, you may be breaking the law. Some AI tools rely on complex and hidden logic that is not transparent to users. If a tenant is denied and you cannot provide a clear reason, you could be violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Landlords are required to issue an adverse action notice with a specific explanation, and even if AI made the decision, you are still legally responsible. AI cannot understand personal context, so AI doesn't understand life stories like medical debt or non-traditional income. For example, a lower credit score might be caused by medical debt, or a strong income might be from non-traditional sources. A human reviewer can evaluate those details fairly, and that's why human review still matters. The other thing is inconsistent results can lead to legal risks. AI tools might approve one applicant but flag another with a similar background. If two similar applicants get different results and you can't explain why, that's a liability, especially when it impacts people differently based on their race, gender, or disability. Follow best practices to stay compliant. Choose AI tools that meet FCRA standards and apply the same criteria to every applicant. I also recommend keeping a written policy and reviewing your screening results regularly. Lastly, ensure someone on your team understands how the system works and how it reaches decisions. AI can support faster and more consistent tenant screenings, but it must be used with care. When combined with a human judgment, legal awareness, and clear processes, it can be a valuable part of your strategy. If you need help reviewing your current screening practices or selecting a reliable tool, reach out. I'd be happy to help protect your investment.